If you've lost access to your Gumhouria Bank Switzerland account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, such as your account number, identification documents, and any previous transaction details. This will help verify your identity during the recovery process. Step 2. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide additional identification as requested by the customer support representative. This step is crucial for confirming that you are the rightful account holder. Step 4. Follow recovery instructions. Once your identity is verified, the customer support team will guide you through the recovery process. This may involve resetting your account password or providing alternative methods to regain access. Step 5. Update your account information. After successfully recovering your account, update your contact information, including your email address and phone number, to ensure you can easily access your account in the future. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Gumhouria Bank account without needing your email. Always keep your account information secure and updated to avoid similar issues in the future.